Hello, a quick tip from beginner.com. In the next minute, I'll show you how to create transparent pictures in PowerPoint 2016. Let's imagine that you want to create a picture that is combined from two layers. I'll show you how you can do that. I'll use this picture as a background. Since it's not possible to make pictures transparent in PowerPoint, I need to use a small trick to do it. I'll draw a rectangle that is in the same size as my background picture. And I'll remove the outline, because I don't need it. And then I'll go to Fill and choose my second picture. Here it is. Now in the Format Picture options, I can make it transparent and put it on the background picture. This is the final result. I have a picture that is made from two layers. Give me a thumbs up if this was helpful and subscribe to my channel to get even more useful tips about PowerPoint.